All right, let's dive right into this explainer. Today, we're breaking down a seriously smart dessert recipe from the YouTube channel Cooking Kissy. Now, you know how we're always told that truly great baking has to take all day? Well, this deeply traditional dessert totally challenges that idea. We are unpacking Grandma's Secret, the famous French cheesecake, and we're going to see exactly how all these elements come together in just 5 minutes of prep time. If you're someone who loves efficient, highly focused cooking with a massive flavor payoff, you are absolutely in the right place.
I mean, just look at this bold promise. Mastering a famous French cheesecake with only 5 minutes of active preparation? That is almost unheard of in traditional pastry. Let's be real. Cheesecakes are notoriously fussy. You're usually dealing with water baths, worrying about the top cracking, hours and hours of cooling. It's a lot. But this quote, straight from the source, really highlights why this specific recipe is so coveted. It's all about working smart, leaning on a tried and true family secret, and getting straight to the delicious results without all that traditional hassle.
So let's get into it. Step 1, crafting the cake base. We have to build that perfect foundation. Okay, here are the building blocks for that base. It's really all about balancing structural elements with moisture and flavor. We kick things off with 2 eggs and 100 grams of sugar, adding just a quick pinch of salt and a splash of vanilla flavoring to really wake up that flavor profile. Then we bring in our wet ingredients, 100 milliliters of seed oil and 100 milliliters of milk. Now, using seed oil instead of butter, that is a classic baker's trick to make sure the crumb stays insanely moist and tender. Finally, we fold in our essential dry staples, 200 grams of flour and 12 grams of baking powder. And that baking powder is absolutely crucial here. It guarantees the cake is going to rise beautifully and cradle our filling perfectly. Moving right along to step 2, the fresh cheese filling, which is the literal sweet center of this whole thing. Notice how beautifully simple this is? While some cheesecake recipes totally overwhelm you with a laundry list of ingredients, this one relies on the pure, high-quality taste of just 150 grams of fresh cheese. To that, you're just tossing in 1 single egg to bind it together, a really modest 20 grams of sugar for just a touch of sweetness, and a dash of vanilla flavoring to tie it right back to the aroma of our cake base. It's elegant, it is incredibly fast to measure out, and it ensures that the fresh cheese remains the absolute star of the show. All right, step 3. Assembly, baking, and honestly the best part, serving it up. But before we mix, let's talk gear for a second because baking is a science, right? You will need exactly a 24 centimeter mold for this. Why is that specific number so important? Well, it's because the ratio of our base batter to our fresh cheese filling was designed for exactly this surface area. Using a 24 centimeter mold is the secret to ensuring your cake achieves the perfect thickness, which allows both the cake layer and the cheese layer to bake evenly at the exact same rate. So, by following these 3 simple steps, your 5-minute assembly is finished in an absolute flash. First, you whisk together that incredibly moist base we just looked at. Second, make sure to mix your fresh cheese filling really, really well so it's perfectly smooth. And third, this is where the magic happens. You combine them in your 24 centimeter mold and drop in a generous handful of vibrant red berries. Oh, and as a quick aside, blueberries are also fantastic in this. The berries add this bright, tart contrast that cuts right through the richness of the cheese like a dream. Now, to get that flawless, bakery-quality golden finish, you got to have your oven preheated and ready to go. Your exact target temperature is 180 degrees Celsius, which translates perfectly to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Hitting this exact moderate sweet spot is what allows the cake to rise beautifully without burning that delicate cheese filling. And just like that, the active work is totally done. Now the anticipation builds as we set the timer for 40 to 45 minutes. Think about it. You've only spent 5 minutes putting this whole shebang together, and now you just step back and let the ambient heat of the oven do all the heavy lifting, transforming those separate wet and dry layers into one cohesive, towering French dessert. Once it's out of the oven and has cooled down slightly, the final, elegant touch is a quick dusting of powdered sugar. It instantly gives it that classic, rustic bakery look. And then, as the original recipe simply and perfectly states, enjoy your meal. I'm telling you, the contrast of the fluffy vanilla cake, that creamy fresh cheese center, and the burst of warm red berries, it is completely irresistible. So we've broken down the science of the 24 centimeter mold, and we've seen exactly how a few everyday ingredients can turn into a literal masterpiece in just 5 minutes of prep. The only question left to ask is this: now that you are fully equipped to pull off this legendary bake, who is lucky enough to get that very first slice? Grab your ingredients, preheat that oven, and I highly encourage you to test this out for yourself. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and hey, happy baking!